Bees, and welcome back to StyledByBeaver. Today's video is going to be on Nude by Nature products. I received their primer from Chic Advisor to test, so I decided to pick up some stuff from Shoppers Drug Mart and to give you guys my feel, what I think, if this brand's worth it. So if you're interested, then definitely continue to keep watching. So the first thing I'm going to go into is with the Nude by Nature Perfecting Primer. This retails for about, let me see, $32. This is, I believe, a sample size that I received. This smells amazing. It has a nice fresh fruity scent. It also has this like tackiness once it's blended out, so it feels like silicone. And it blends out nicely like a moisturizer, but then it leaves your skin feeling and looking amazing. It looks luminous, it looks like healthy. Just watch this next clip, you're gonna see how glowing my skin looks. I love the fact that it's tacky as well because that helps my foundation adhere to it. So I went off camera and I applied my foundation, and now I'm going in with the Flawless Concealer. I am using the shade 08 Café. This is the darkest shade they have. This I'm not a big fan of. It covers my dark circles, which I love. Love the fact that it covers my dark circles. However, it smells. It literally smells like crayons. The shade has like this gray undertone to it, which in my opinion isn't great because even though I set my under eye with a yellow powder, during the day I feel like my face looks somewhat gray. So I wish they'd expand their ranges and do, like, you know, have better shade colors for us darker girls. If you're wondering, they do have foundations. They have a full range of products, but their darker shades of foundation and foundation powders are only available online, which really sucks. I decided to purchase a foundation and possibly a powder, so definitely stay tuned to see my thoughts and review on those. And I'm just blending out my concealer with my Real Techniques complexion sponge. So now I've set my face, added my highlight, so now onto the eyes. I'm using my e.l.f. mineral primer, and I already did like my crease color and, like, you know, I added some shades to my color, to my eyes, and I'm using the, what is this called again? The loose shimmering eyeshadow in the shade 03 Rose Sand. I'm going to apply that where I am adding the primer. Now this shadow is amazing. It's very multi-purpose. It could be used as body glitter, body shimmer, or face highlight. You could add a little bit of it into your foundation to give it a glow because it's a loose powder. It doesn't just have to be an eyeshadow. You see that? Y'all, this shit messy as hell. I'm not gonna lie to you. It is so messy. Like, you definitely need to have a paper towel out or wet wipes to clean your area because it is messy as hell. But yes, I'm just using a nice tiny fine shader brush and I'm applying that to where I apply that primer. You definitely need a base for this because it needs something sticky to help adhere to it. So whether it's a mixing medium or a glue. I was just talking so much, I just realized that. Sorry guys. And now for my absolute favorite part, this is their Moisture Infusion lip gloss. This is the shade 05 Blush Beige. Oh my goodness. So the applicator is slanted, which helps with application, but this gloss smells amazing. It smells like a chocolate covered fruit. That's what it smells like. It's super moisturizing. Like, if you don't like to wear lip balm before you apply your lip gloss, this is a lip gloss you don't have to apply lip balm to. It's bomb, guys. I love it. I'm gonna have to get it in that lighter shade for like my extreme nude and brown black lighter lip days. Anyway, that's all I have to say. If you're interested in seeing some more that I have to say about these products, definitely follow my blog. I'll have the link down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like, please give me a thumbs up, and I will definitely see you in my next one. Bye guys.